Did you want to stop?
Hi, this is Grandpa Pete from Grandpa Pete Studio Productions. We're in Mount Shasta, California. We're going to go on a little nature hike here. We're up here visiting with my cousin. We're going to have a great time. You're going to see some great video, and this is fun. We're going to have fun with a capital F-U-N.
I wish that necessarily recommend using the rail.
Yeah, Grandpa Pete, this river comes from Shasta.
Well, that's what I was
And it's clear and clean, and there's a whole bunch of brook trout and rainbow trout all over here. I wish I had my fly fishing pole with me. We had dinner tonight with fish instead of prime rib.
I knew he was. When he pants those people on the
Yeah, that was quite almost like the Golden Gate. But yeah, this is a river, creek, or whatever you want to call it. It comes right out of Mount Shasta from snowmelt and glaciers. Well, the walk is tough today. It's a little bit hot, so I'm getting old. My knees are sore, my body's sore, my hips is sore. So it's sure good to sit down and take a break. I know it's Miller time real soon. Yeah.
Okay, well we're really excited to have Grandpa Pete and Sherry here with us, and we're enjoying Mount Shasta. We're taking a little nature walk here, and it's just beautiful. It's perfect temperature, and we're just gonna have fun. Okay, there we go.
Okay.
Well, we're on a nature walk. We're out here stretching our legs, nice and cool and shady in this area. A lot of different types of vegetation, a lot of different types of trees. You can see the river coming down. You can hear the river in the background. We're having a wonderful time, and there's more to follow.
And then the attorneys go, you can't do that. You can't say you're not going to sign off because unless they give you other property, you know. And then you still got money out of it because of what your mother did to get it. And so it was sad.